everybody. Today we are going to have a look about decentralized applications in blockchain. Decentralized application. Yes, that is what we are going to learn today. So these are all the contents I'm going to cover up. So how we are going to empower the future with the help of blockchain technologies. Here, what is that DApp and what are all the characteristics of DApps and how it is going to work and what are all the types available over there. And after that, the benefits and then some real world use cases, some future. These are all the things we are going to have a look. These are all the contents. Yes. Now we are going to empower the future with the help of blockchain technology. Yes. What are DApps? Before entering into the decentralized application, we can understand about the traditional application first of all. The traditional application is called as a centralized application where the single entity will be there. Based upon that single entity, everything will get controlled. The server will be there. So the backend will get stored on the service. With the help of the service, uh, the app will get designed. Likewise, in decentralized application, there is no such central authority. It gets developed with the help of the blockchain. And what is the major difference is the traditional app example is Facebook. Here, some person will be acting as an some server will be acting as a single entity, and then such that all our information will get stored over there, and the hackers, they may hack very easily, but it is will not get happened in decentralized application. That is the added advantage of decentralized application. Yes, here. So what are all the D apps? What is the meaning of it? So D apps, in the sense, it is called as a decentralized application. So mainly it is an open source decentralized application which gets incentivized with the tokens. So I'll be explaining you in future what is token and all. And then it gets run on the blockchain platform only. Like some example blockchain platform is like Ethereum, and then there is no central authority control. This is the major advantage of creating a decentralized application. And then now we are going to have a look at the characteristics of DApps. First of all, it is a open source. You can use it in an open source manner, and then the code will be transparent such that everybody who gets involved in developing the DApp can able to see it. And then the users, they'll be making use of the tokens, and then it is decentralized and it gets run over a blockchain, and then it will be making use of the mechanism called as in proof of work and proof of stake. And about proof of work and proof of stake, I'll put the separate PowerPoint for it such that you can understand what is proof of work and proof of stake. Now we are going to see how this particular DApp will work. Initially, the user will be interacting with the help of the front end, and then smart contract. I'll put the separate presentation for smart contract. The smart contract is going to execute the backend logic, and then all the transaction gets verified by the blockchain nodes, and then the result is going to get stored on the blockchain. Now, what are all the types available? It is like in financial, it is available as Duffy app. You can have a look on that using Google. And then social dapps is Lens Protocol, and gaming for gaming, Axie Infinity, and infrastructure Chainlink. You can just go through that apps, and then what are all the advantages, the benefits? There is no downtime. You can download it very quickly, and then it is in censorship resistant, and it is transparent, and then it is providing a global access. And definitely when there is an advantage, there will be a challenges also. The challenges is like scalability issues, regulatory concerns. Scalability issue in the sense while adding up, it gives some complication. And then regulatory concerns, like there is no government involved in between. And then it shows in complex experiences that we have to solve some mathematical puzzle and all. And then the transaction cost is higher, we have to pay for gas fees. What is gas, I'll tell separately. And then, like in real world, where which type of app and all we are using, that we have already gone through. I have given it in a separate slide such that you can able to understand it clearly. And then what are all the softwares used for building the DApps? In front end, the people will be using React, Angular, Vue, and all. And then the platform, blockchain platform is so mainly Ethereum. And then wallet, what is the wallet? It will be getting used in the sense MetaMask. And then storage is going to get happen in the R-Wave. Smart contract languages for developing a smart contract, we'll be making use of the language called as in Solidity. Solidity is a popular language. And then the development tools, how we are going to develop it with the help of truffle brownie or that. So these are all the things. In the upcoming sessions, I'll be explaining you about each and everything separately. How much ever I can able to provide those things, I'll be explaining you. And then the node providers is quick node and infura. What is the future of the apps? Which means, like, it is going to be technology integration. It is going to get integrated with the AI and IoT. And then it going to show the user friendly interfaces. And then for business use, it is going to support the enterprise adoption. Scalability, in the sense, if you want to increase the number of apps, in the sense, like it will support the in and out. And then conclusion is, it is going to transform the digital interactions entirely. And then it is very secured. And then it is going to get evolved with a great potential. Thank you for your attention. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be meeting with the next